Hi guys, Glen here from Metro Hobbies in Box Hill. Today is tool review time, and I've got a great tool that will help you get the best contours out of your model aircraft or armour, and it's right here, the Flexi File. So without further ado, let's go. Now this is an awesome tool. It's a U-shape made out of aluminium. It's light, easy to work with, and the tool is brilliant for making excellent contours on your aircraft or armour, for example, tank barrels. Now, it comes with different various grits. In this case, our one over here, which is a 3-pack, comes with 600 grit, 320, 280 and 150 grit, which is quite coarse. But the whole idea on how this actually works is it's quite flexible, and it goes around the contour of the aircraft, say for example the leading edge of this aircraft right here, which makes it more rounder. Instead of using the standard flat type of sanding stick which will make it flat, no, you got to use one of these. It is a brilliant and useful tool. So let's show you how it's done. Okay, using Tamiya's classic Spitfire as an example, which is one of my latest projects, you can clearly see here that this looks terrific and it looks round. By putting your finger there, you can see that this doesn't need any further work. But by adding some of Tamiya's liquid filler, right along here, it needs help along there and along here. So with our tool, and this one is about 400 grit, we slowly start going around. And you can see just by doing that, we are now getting a nice contour right around, exactly how it should be on an aircraft. Okay, a lot of control here, and you can see that now that's beginning to look round, and that's the example that is coming off. So we are getting rid of it, all that residue. So keep going again until you get a nice even tone around that. And now we wipe away all the swath off all that and all the residue, and we have a nice rounded edge, which is what we're looking for. Also, if you can see underneath here, I've also used a little bit there. And again, by using the same grit, we can go along that. And you can actually feel the smoothness of it. It's really, really good. And now, by brushing away all the residue, you can see here that it's exactly what we're looking for. Smooth with your fingers, so on and so forth. What you could do now is spray a little bit of primer over that to make sure that there's no missing areas or you've missed somewhere that you may have missed. And that's how you can tell. If you need some more of this excellent primer surfacer from Tamiya, grey or white, you can go back and do that again until it's correct. So there we have it, a great tool that can be used on any contour of an aircraft or armour kit, barrels, etc. And it's absolutely useful. Well guys, if you've got any questions to ask, don't forget to give us a call or send us an email and we'll get right back to you straight away. Well, as fast as we can anyway. Take care guys, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.